Welcome to Sarasas Samutsarn School. This is Health Matayam 2.
Hello everybody! Hello everyone! Hope you're all doing good today. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Carla Circolado, and today I will be teaching the subject. So if you are ready, you can bring out your notebook, your pen, and your books, and please pay attention. Let's begin.
Let's start our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So listen carefully as I read the word twice, then repeat after me. Swell, swell. Good job. Appear, appear. Very good. Rounder, rounder. Very good. Enlarge, enlarge. Very good. Different, different. Very good. Stronger, stronger. Very good. Later, later. Very good. Now let's move on and do our dictation of 3 words. Get a piece of paper or your notebook and write as follows. Number 1. Spell the word rounder. Number 1. Rounder. Number 2. Spell the word different. Number 2. Different. Number 3. Spell the word later. Number 3. Later. Okay, now let's check your answers. Get your red pen. If your answer is correct, please put 1, and if your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer beside your answer. Number 1, let's read and spell together. Rounder. R O U N D E R. Rounder. 2. Different. D I F F E R E N T. Different. And number 3, later. L A T E R. Later. Very good. Good job! So today, we will have a review for our topic in Unit 1, Growth and Development. So if you can get your books and open on page 3. We notice a lot of changes in our body as we grow. And that is the signs of puberty. What is puberty again? We will talk about it on our topic for today. So if you're ready, let's begin. Repeat after me. The signs of puberty. Very good. There are some certain changes for boys and girls that are the signs of puberty. So we will talk about the changes or signs that our body experiences during the time of puberty. So let's move on. We will talk about the changes or puberty in girls. Let's read together. In girls, breasts gradually swell. Again. Very good. So for girls, let's read the first bullet. Breast development is caused by hormones released by the ovaries at puberty. So the changes in our breasts, it is caused by hormones. Okay, it is released by our ovaries during puberty. So you can see the changes in this picture. This is before puberty. Then puberty, you will notice it's swelling and getting bigger, and it's fully sized. Then next bullet, most girls begin getting breasts at around 10 or 11 years old. So in girls, you will notice these changes when you are at this age. Okay? So the question is, what causes the breast to swell? Very good. It is caused by the hormones that is released by the ovaries. Okay, let's move on. Repeat after me. In girls, hips become wider and rounder. Very good. The morphology of the female pelvis is influenced by hormonal changes in puberty. Everybody repeat after me. Hormonal. Very good. So it is the changes in our hormones in our body that causes the hips to get wider and rounder. Okay, so this is a picture of a female pelvic girdle. So for the female pelvic area, the pelvic is more wider than males or than boys. Okay, let's read the next bullet. Women have wider hips than men because their pelvis must allow for birth. Okay, so this is the pelvic girdle, right? Or the ovary. This is where the baby develops during pregnancy. Okay? So, when it is time for the baby to go out or to give birth for the mother, the pelvic area will be widened more to allow the baby to give birth. Okay? To allow the mother or the female to give birth. That's why the pelvic of the female is wider than the boys. Okay? So the question is, why is the women have wider hips than men? Very good. Because women give birth to a child, that's why they need their pelvic area to be more wider. Okay, very good. Next, repeat after me. In girls, pubic hair and armpit hair appear. Very good. Let's read the first bullet. Coarser hair will begin to grow in the genital area, under the arms, and on the legs. Okay. So, coarser means thicker and curlier. Okay, it will grow first in our genital area. Okay, or it's the pubic hair. Okay, pubic area. Okay, so at the age of 7 to 19, you will see the pubic growth. Okay, as it grows, it will grow thicker and curlier. Same as the hair on the armpit area. It will grow thicker and curlier. And that part of puberty is called adrenarche. Okay, very good. So, where is the hair will begin to grow? Where is the hair will begin to grow? Very good. In the genital area or pubic area. Okay, pubic hair and armpit hair will grow. We will also grow some hairs on our legs. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. In girls, height and weight will gain quickly. Very good. So most girls grow fastest about 6 months before they start their first period. Okay, so most girls, they grow taller before they had their menstruation or the blood on their released by their vagina. Okay, gaining weight, particularly in belly area, is called baby fat. So while the ladies or female are also getting taller, some weight are also gained in the body. So we will notice some gain weight, most especially in the stomach area or belly area. And some call it the baby fat. So the question is, what are some changes in height and weight during puberty? Very good. So we will notice that the ladies or female are getting taller and also gaining weight, easily gaining weight. So we should be careful on what we eat also. Okay, very good. Next, everybody repeat after me. In girls, pimples may appear on the face. Very good. Acne is caused by overactive oil glands in the skin. It becomes stimulated when hormones become active during puberty. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Acne. Very good. So acne are the pimples that appearing on our faces. Okay, it says that it is caused by overactive oil glands in the skin. Okay, so pimples can be also genetic. Meaning, if we have someone or some members of our family had many acne or pimples during their puberty, most likely we will also have acne or pimples on our puberty stage. So the question is, does acne can be genetic? Very good. Yes. If some member of our family have it, then we can have it. Now let's move on to the next slide. Okay, repeat after me. In girls, menstruation or period will start. Very good. So most girls get their first period when they are around 12. But getting it anytime between age 10 or 15 is okay. So the girls will get their first period if you see a blood on your underwear. It means it could be your menstruation already or your period. Usually it starts around 12 years old. Okay, now let's read the second bullet. These hormones cause the lining of the uterus to build up. The lining breaks down and bleeds when a woman does not get pregnant. Okay, so this is the uterus. Okay, so it says that the lining breaks down, causing the woman to bleed. Okay, so when the girl is not pregnant, the line breaks down, causing it to bleed. So we feel also painful on our stomach area, and sometimes we also have diarrhea when we have our menstruation or period. So the question is, what age or around what age do we get our first period? Very good. Around the age of 12. Okay. So let's do our exercise for this topic as a review for your midterm. Bring out your paper or your notebook and write as follows. We will do fill in the blanks. Choose the best answer. Number 1. As we grow, we become blank. Number 1. As we grow, we become blank. A. Weaker, B. Stronger, or C. Different. Number 2. Hips become wider and blank. Hips become wider and blank. A. Rounder, B. Stronger, or C. Flat. Number 3. The initial sign of puberty in girls is gradual swelling of the blank. Number 3. The initial sign of puberty in girls is gradual swelling of the blank. A. Breast, B. Arms, or C. Shoulders. Number 4. The exact age that puberty begins is blank for everyone. Number 4. The exact age that puberty begins is blank for everyone. A. Different, B. Same, or C. Between. And number 5. Armpit hair and pubic hair blank. Number 5. Armpit hair and pubic hair blank. A. Start, B. Swell, or C. Appear? Very good. So for our today's summary, we talk about the signs of puberty in girls. Okay, let's try to answer these sentences. Let's complete the sentences. Breast gradually blank. Very good. Breast gradually swell. Next, hips become wider and blank. Very good. Hips become wider and rounder. Next, pubic hair and blank appear. Okay, the answer is here, armpit hair. Very good. Next, height and weight will blank quickly. Very good. Height and weight will gain quickly. And of course, pimple may appear on face. And the last one, menstruation or blank will start. Very good. Period.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you all learned our lesson. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to watch the friendly reminders for your safety. See you again!
Don't forget, just a reminder to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, and eat healthy. We will see you soon. Good job, everyone. Goodbye.